Are you filming me?
Now I am.
Oh my gosh. Stop filming me. I don't like being in front of the camera.
It's just the dude.
Just makes me really uncomfortable when you point that camera at me. I'm just trying to live my life, my quiet life, and not cause a ruckus. So we are headed to Best Buy right now. Why? Because Circuit City is closed and has been for a long time. So Best Buy is a place where you can get displays, and right now we need a display, a TV display for a marketing event that we have coming up, trade shows, things like that. The standout ones really do have something visual, and so just as a staple, I always try to get a TV with a slideshow, have some of the videos that you do regularly on YouTube or just promo videos or testimonials playing so that your eye is drawn to that booth. And then later we're gonna go visit a property that is crossing the finish line on the renovation, so it should look much different than the first time we saw it. Crazy for my ADD. So this is probably the aisle where we're gonna be at, somewhere. Picture this sitting on your trade show booth right here center and slide showing all of your best products or videos. Is that the one? That's the one. Whenever I get out of the store and I pass the security guys, part of me wants to like just sprint running like I've done something wrong, even if I haven't. All right, we are done at Best Buy. We got what we needed. Now we're gonna head to a property that we started a while ago. It's an investment property that's going to be a rental. I'll let you guys in on a little secret. Most people kind of do what they need to just to kind of get it across the finish line, get it livable, you know, so that they can start to kind of have people there. I've always thought that you will attract the type of tenant that you want if you put a little bit more effort into a renovation. So if the renovation comes with granite countertops and a new kitchen and it's kind of starts like at that level, then you're gonna have somebody that values having that kind of quality apply to live there and take care of the home better. So that's served us well over the years. So we'll go see kind of how that house is coming along. Come on in to the rental property that we've been working on. I'm pretty excited about this. By the time you watch this, someone else might be living here and using this as their new home. And here is the living area where you first come in, and you might notice these hardwood floors. They are original. They had some blemishes, but anytime you can keep hardwood floors is a thumbs up for me. If they get messed up along the way, you can always sand and refinish them, and also hardwood floors kind of add value to the property. So we went with a natural color here, and in areas where we couldn't keep it, we did a new LVP, like the kitchen. I'll show you the kitchen layout in a minute, but first, let's go down the hallway to check out the bedrooms that are downstairs. 2 bedrooms in this house on the bottom floor, one here and one here. Both of them have their own closet, and they're both very spacious. We updated with paint, redoing the flooring, and new light fixtures. In this bathroom here, we redid everything. We redid the floors, brand new vanity, light fixture, mirror, and the tile in the bathtub here. So this gets a complete redo for whoever's gonna live here. All right, so now we are in the kitchen, and this layout completely changed. Before we had the fridge kind of out here in the hallway, you had to kind of walk around. So we restructured that so that the fridge was on the end, and we added a dishwasher right next to the sink, which is convenient for when you're doing dishes. You also have your microwave and stove here in a situation that makes sense for doing life. And here is really just extra space. They had some kind of pantry shelves there, and we have hookups for washer and dryer in here. So really just paint and new flooring here so that you can have a clean space for where you are doing your laundry. Next, we're gonna head upstairs where we added something to the home that was never there before. We also have 2 more bedrooms up there to see. Let's go. Okay, up here we have 2 more bedrooms, which is amazing. Anytime that we do a rental property, an investment property, ideally we want to have at least 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. And that's just for logistical purposes, for people who are interested in the home. Typically, unless it's a single person or just 2 people, if you have any kids at all, you want space. And 4 bedrooms, 2 baths serves a lot larger amount of people, so that's what we shoot to have. So we got that here, which is great, which leads me to my next thing, which is the new bathroom up here. I'm standing in the brand new bathroom here at Stratford, and as you can see, we've got the hardwood floors running through here. We refinished them in here, which is kind of unique. That's kind of an older thing, but it gives character to this craftsman style home. And we've added a vanity, new light fixture, and got a shower in here. So it's a full bathroom with a toilet, everything up here where it didn't used to be, which is really huge for these 2 bedrooms that are up here so that they don't have to go downstairs and share. All right, here we are in the last bedroom of the house, bedroom number 4. And so that really is a wrap. We're gonna go and mark some things that we wanna fine tune before we have somebody move in, get our final touch-up paint, get our final clean, and then someone else will be able to make this house a home. So thanks for hanging with us while we did some work today. Let me know what you're working on, what projects are you excited about at your work, and let's stay connected so we can encourage one another along the way. See you soon.